The right perspective can transform your photos into a masterpiece. High angles, low angles, unique viewpoints, how you position your camera can change everything. So let us dive into the world of perspective in photography. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Photography is not just about what you shoot but how you see things. A simple change in perspective can add a lot of depth, context and meaning to your images. So let me give you 10 techniques how you can use perspective to improve your photos. Shooting from a lower angle can make your subject appear stronger, grander and more dominant. It is great for portraits, architecture and street photography. A bird's eye view offers a unique perspective that can make your subject appear smaller, vulnerable or a part of a larger scene. Try this for street photography, wildlife or creative portraits.
Adding an element of foreground like flowers, fence or window frame creates depth and makes the viewer feel inside the scene. Roads, pathways, fences or even shadows can act as leading lines,
drawing attention to the subject and adding a sense of depth.
Shooting over someone's shoulder makes the viewer feel like they are inside the scene, seeing the world through the subject's eyes, perfect for travel and documentary photography. Get up close and capture textures, patterns and tiny details to create a macro or abstract effect. This works well for nature, food and product photography. Stepping back and capturing the entire scene enhances the storytelling in your shot. Great for landscapes, environmental portraits and urban photography.
Tilting your cameras slightly intentionally creates an edgy, dynamic feel, perfect for action shots, fashion photography or dramatic street scenes. Using doorways, windows, arches or even hands to frame your subject adds layers and visual interest to your photos. Play with scale and distance to create fun illusions like making someone appear to hold the sun or stand on a tiny object. Perspective is the secret ingredient that can take your images to the next level. And try out these various techniques guys, experiment with them and see what works for you best. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. There's my previous vlog about photography composition. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.